Okay. See you. Bye.
Yes. See you. Okay. Yes. Vijay Lakshmi ji. Hello. Hetal ji. Varsha ji. Hello.
Hello, Pooja.
Hello. Okay. Fine. So, how many of you are ready for the session? I know it's new. What do I say? New course, or I think you would have not heard about this, but healing your trauma is very, very important. Okay. So whether you do cut cutting healing or chakra healing or whatever it is, so healing your trauma is very important. Okay, and many of you are not even aware of this because it's not taught anywhere. Hello, Nandini ji. Hello. Hi. Okay, yeah. So let's begin. So as you all know, before we conduct any session, so one free session will be there, okay, and then basic course level 1 and everything. So it goes on. Okay. So what is trauma? So trauma is so any incident that happened externally. So it can be anything. It can be world war, bomb blast, or anything. People insulting you. Anything that makes you feel so uncomfortable. Okay, so that is external trauma. So what that trauma made you feel. So that is that is very important to heal. Okay, so just take any incident. So during your childhood days, or during your teenage days, adult experience, so anywhere that you have had major issue, so unable to heal, unable to come out of the situation. So healing that one part is very, very important. Okay, so I want you all to write in a sheet of paper. So think about it. I will give you 2 minutes. Think about it and write what are your traumatic experience. So some people might think I don't have any traumatic experience because life is very good and no ups and downs. Sometimes you might have that thought, but deep down at least one traumatic experience will be there. Everyone's life. Suddenly a person's behavior changes can also disturb you a lot. Okay, or somebody insulting you for no reason. Imagine if you do a mistake. Now let's say somebody have given you a responsibility, and if you don't do it properly, obviously they will scold you and you're mentally prepared. Okay, I will get scoldings from my mother, I will get scoldings from whoever it is, so you're mentally prepared. But imagine suddenly your loved ones or whoever it is, suddenly if their behavior change and suddenly they insult you or try to put you down, you are mentally not ready to accept it. Okay. Okay, so chat box, what is that? Seeing a dead body. Okay, yes. So seeing a dead body or hearing someone's death, hearing any bad news. Okay, so all those things have happened externally. But what is that feeling? What is that feeling uh, stored? What kind of feeling is stored in your body, and how are you still impacted by that incident? Think about it. Force yourself to think about it and write it in a sheet of paper. Okay. Try, give a try. Hello, Vandana ji. Anmol sir, hello. Hello. Yes. Nice to see you, Vandana ji, after very long time again.
Same here. Actually, I was doing my work. I saw you online just to
Ah,
motivate your students. Being a
okay.
student myself of years,
Yeah.
so I wanted to avail this opportunity to.
Thank you. Thank you, Vandana ji. So Vandana ji is also an expert in everything, Ask her about any alternative healing. She knows everything. And yeah.
And thanks to Pooja ma'am, credit goes to her also. A
thank,
big credit.
thank you, Vandana ji. Yes, yes. Okay. So I want everyone to write your traumatic experience, anything, and make sure nobody's seeing that, because imagine you write about them and that person come and see that, So write anything that has put you down for years, for days, for decades, anything that has put you down. Okay, give yourself some time. Think about it. Any harsh words, or that person's behavior.
Can we just visualize it?
No visualizing, sir. I want you all to write it. I want you all to write it.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Okay. Give yourself some time. Think. Take your time. No hurry. Once you're done, you can let me know. Okay. Vandana ji is done. Okay. You can write it in one word also. For example, or one sentence: insult by this person, behavior changes by this person, whatever. Okay. So all these traumatic things are stored in your body. So knowingly or unknowingly, you might not understand why you're feeling so frustrated. Okay. So this activity will make you. Okay, I'll just mute everyone. So once you write down, there is some magic. So that's the thing. And that's why I'm asking you all to write it in a sheet of paper. And if you're watching the recording, please do this. Don't be like, let's skip the video. Let me do it later. Okay? Because later never comes. Tomorrow never comes. Okay? Yes. Fine. Okay. So any experience that you have had in your life, any traumatic experience, you would have forgotten. Your mind would have forgotten. Okay. But your body remembers everything. Your body cells remember everything. And all these negative feelings is stored in some parts of our body. Okay. Now, for example, if you are crying, somebody will come and just pat your shoulder. They'll be like, it's okay, don't cry. So when they do this, how do you feel? You'll feel better, right? Am I correct? So you'll feel better. Okay, at least somebody is there for me. And when somebody hugs you, when you are not in a good state of mind, so you will feel better. Okay, so same thing in our body as well. So there are so many points where all these negativity or all these unhealed trauma, unresolved issues are still stored in our body. Okay, and when we sweep our house also, mopping, sweeping, dusting and everything, imagine if you don't clean at the corner, so imagine, the corner of your house. If you don't clean, what will happen? You can see those spider webs and everything. See, spider web can be anywhere, but why only in the corners? Why? Because that is the space for everything, dust, all the unnecessary things, and same thing in our body. So there are so many points, so we have this point, Sahasra Chakra area point. Okay, and then we have this area here exactly. Okay, and this point, okay, below your eyes. Okay, your chin, your your upper lip, your chin, collarbone area. Okay, underarm. Okay, and then you just have to crisscross your hand. Okay, so just hug yourself, crisscross your hand and tap on the side of your ribs, both the side. Okay, so this is the location. I know you can't see. Okay, you just have to crisscross your hand. Okay, we'll do that later. You have to crisscross and tap on your on the side of your ribs. Okay, and then so this will be the last point. Okay, and this one also here as well. Okay, So all these points are acupressure points as well. See, everything is connected. So anything that I teach, graphology, numerology, all these healing techniques, so I teach everything with logic. So we have something known as starting point and ending point. Okay, starting point and ending point in acupressure. Okay, those are not TCM, so you can easily connect it. So all these points are extremely powerful, and anything that you're facing, anything, any trauma that is stored in your body can clearly, can just get out of your energy system if you do this process. It's extremely powerful, very powerful. Okay, now, okay, so if anybody would like to share your experience, any traumatic experience, you are free to share. And nobody is going to judge anyone in my community. Yes. So anyone? Uh, so what are your traumatic experience? So you can share it. Anyone? Okay, Shriji, yes. So we'll keep it short and crisp. Yes. Shriji, are you there? If not, we'll move. Vijay Lakshmi ji.
Puja, for me, being fat and being rejected by so many people
Rejected.
before marriage.
Okay, okay, yes. Being rejected is also, a traumatic feeling. Okay. See, if stranger rejected, like, who cares, but when your loved ones, you have given so much to them. If they ignore you, how will you feel? Obviously, you feel so bad. Okay, and mentally you are not prepared for this, but you have to face this situation. It will be so bad. Okay, so rejection as well, rejection. And then Hetalji, what was yours? Yes, and then yes, Hetalji.
It was when
Vandana.
I lost my father.
There you lost your father. Okay, yes, yes, Vandana ji.
Mother also.
Yes, Vandana ji.
Yeah, my forte is removing negative energy and evil spirits. I am a healer and a therapist.
Haha, okay. What
So I
Vandana?
have done lot for lot people.
Okay, yes, yes.
Okay. So once when I came to know that the person I healed from cancer, she was about to die. And very close relative of mine, very, very close. When I say very close, but I can't tell the relation here.
Okay,
And she did the black magic on me.
on you. Oh,
Yes.
oh my God.
I fell from the stairs. I
Okay.
was literally on the bed for 3 months, was not cured with any mantras, with healing modalities. But when I came to know that she is the culprit,
Hmm.
because it's my forte, I had to know her now and then. And that was very traumatic. I just wanted her to seriously, literally die. She was already dying, and I escaped her.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
But this
Look
was the
at-
God's way. So
Oh.
I blessed her. She's still alive.
Hmm.
I have relationship with her, but I don't talk to her. She calls me because she's so jealous of the life I am living right now. But with God's blessing, I have been so strong in this line, and I'm doing so great. Blessings. But that is very traumatic.
Yeah, when was this, Vandana ji?
It happened 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Look at people, I don't know why such people exist, but
But I believe those
yes.
are hidden lessons for us. I
Yes,
take my
it's
lessons
always.
and move on.
Yes.
Those
Yes.
people are stuck over there in their
Yeah.
mental jail, and they are
Yes. Yes.
suffering from head to toe now.
Hmm.
Hardly matters to me. I have evolved.
Yes, that's the only one thing. So look at the courage what Vandana ji has. Okay, so we all should, have that courage to learn something and let go. Okay, we all are emotional fools. So like human beings are emotional fools. No matter how wise you are, how strong you are, how intelligent you are, we get so attached to something which is not even meant for us. It happens, with everybody. Okay, but please have that courage to let go. So when it's your time to cut off, please cut off. Okay, cut off in the sense, I'm not asking you to cut the relationship. Set your boundaries high. Okay, just because the medicine is expensive, you can't have expired medicine. Okay, expired medicine is also poisonous. So do you want to have poison? So think about it. So this is how you're supposed to evolve as a soul. Okay, so these are the things, so all these traumatic experience are stored in our body. And I think many of you know many of them. See, Vandanaji also told, and before I tell, thank God Vandanaji only mentioned, some women can't see others winning. So there, in everybody's life, there will be one woman who wants to put other women down. Believe it or not, love me or hate me for this. Okay, this is the fact. They want you to feel they want you to feel guilty about something. Okay, even if you have not done anything wrong, they want you to believe that you have done something wrong. Okay, and this will kill your self-esteem and your confidence so badly that you will start doubting yourself and you will stop trusting yourself. You will think that I don't have capacity to do anything. I'm not capable of doing things. I'm not worthy of love. Okay, how many of you are stuck in this pattern right now? Yes, I love that honesty. And if possible, switch on your camera, everyone. So it'll be nice to see everyone. Okay, so or else it's like, me playing hide and seek, so switch on, switch off your camera. Okay, hi Nehaji, nice to see you as well.
Hello,
Yes.
Pooja.
Hello. Okay, so why this concept? Why this concept is so important? Because so once you start tapping on certain points, and we still have so many activities to do. Okay, inside the course, like many things are there. Okay, question answer session and many activities where you can easily come out of this situation. Okay, how many of you still have issues with forgiving people? Yes, understand. Okay, yes, Vandana ji, yes, yeah, everyone is, yeah, yes, totally agree with this. Life is easy, life is very simple. So, just simplify it. See, we all have two entities within our body. It's not only one soul. One part is good and other part. See, whether you're extremely good person or, whether there is a terrorist, so good and bad qualities exist in everyone. Okay, it's just to balance everything. So try to be more of a positive person. And, just by this, you're not going to change. Oh, I should be positive. I should be positive. When bad things happen, also see what are your lessons instead of cribbing and crying. Oh, she did this to me 10 years back. This happened 5 years back. Okay, so you, instead of thinking negatively, try to see what is that one thing that changed you positively. Okay, see, good people will always be good to you. See, your uncle, your auntie, your chacha, whoever it is. Okay, only toxic people can trigger you and push you towards your spiritual growth. Okay, so make note of this. Good people will always be good. You have to thank all the negative people, toxic people who made you suffer, who made you whatever, cry. They made you strong. But if you evolve, you will grow. But if you are still crying and complaining, you're still stuck in that loop. You have not learned your lessons and you will repeat the same patterns again and again and again. You will repeat it. Okay. Because here you have not learned the lesson. You're crying and complaining. So you will meet another person who will do the same thing to you. And you will be like, why am I attracting such stupid people in my life? Okay, so learn the patterns. So learn what is your lesson. Okay, so these are the things. So because of this, your vibrations will go down, your frequency, your vibration, everything goes down. And then, no matter what, some, you try to do something, but you will stay stuck for a very long time. Okay, because many of them have not healed from your traumas. Okay, see, nobody will have frustration issue, anxiety issue, anything that you're facing, depression, whatever it is. See, your body is asking, your body is begging you to release something out of your system, and that's why you're having frustration, anxiety. But we all, not we, some of us, they take medicine. I have anxiety, let me take some pill. Okay, but you're not doing inner work. Nobody is doing inner work, and nobody knows how to do proper inner work, and that's why everyone is suffering without any reason. Okay, so this is the root cause, and that's why this session is very, very important. So whatever your traumas are, please write it. Please write it. Okay, so once the session is done, write down whatever it is, write it in a sheet of paper. Okay, and then, so now we'll be doing one small activity. Okay, so first I will ask you to tap on your little finger. Okay, there are so many internet gurus, so many WhatsApp gurus, internet gurus, so many types of information, so much of information is already there on Instagram and all. But if you consume that half knowledge, it's super dangerous. So inside our all these paid course and all, we discuss so much, so what is actually right, what is not right. Okay, so that's the thing. So first we will start tapping over here. So when I say tap on your little finger, make sure you're tapping over here. Okay, so this is the first step. And then when I say tap on your eyebrow, make sure you're tapping here exactly. Okay, so this is on your eyebrow. And then when I say temple region, make sure you're tapping here exactly. Okay, and then below your eyes, here, and then your upper lip, and then your chin, and then your collarbone. Make sure it's on your collarbone. So how many of you can feel this U shape, U shape over here? So that's the exact one. Yeah, here. So tap over here. Okay, and then any one underarm properly, so any one underarm. Okay, and then crisscross your hand and tap on the side of your rib area, side of your ribs, both the ribs. Okay, and then top of your head. Okay, that's all. This is the procedure. So I'll tell you, so after repeat one sentence, you can repeat it one more time. Okay, so I hope you all are ready, but I want to know what is the, what majority of you are facing. Is it depression, anxiety, or what exactly? You can unmute everybody. Yes. Depression. Okay. Yes.
Anxiety.
Anxiety.
I counsel many people for depression and anxiety, Pooja ji.
Depression and anxiety. Okay. Okay, Gita ji.
Anxiety, Pooja.
Anxiety. Okay. Yes. See. So anxiety also, why okay. Anxiety. Some people
Both
are.
one.
Yes.
Both
Both. Okay.
stress and depression and anxiety, both.
Depression and anxiety. Okay. Yes. So all these things, like, I'll give you one more example. Now you have to get ready for someone's wedding. Okay. You know that you have so many pimples, pigmentation. Okay. But you are just trying to cover up with makeup, foundation, concealer, and everything. See, deep down inside, you know that you have, some skin issue, but just to look very nice in front of everybody, we all do that makeup. And throughout your life, you've been doing this. I'm not talking about physical makeup. You're just trying to say, I'm fine. Nothing is happening. I'm completely fine. I have good money. I have good, wife. I have good husband and everything. But all these traumas still stored in your body. You yourself don't know why you have this depression, anxiety issue. Okay. So that's the thing. So Nandini ji is like so true. Okay. So we all are caught up in the same thing, so we will come out of this. Okay. So now I want you all to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Now think of any one incident. So when I say think, please visualize it. Strong image should come. So the more you do, so you will have that healing power. You will have capacity to come out of this situation. So think of any one situation that made you feel very bad, or it's making you feel worst day by day. So imagine that situation, imagine that circumstance, imagine that person, imagine that situation. It's just like you're replaying that situation again. If you're feeling heavy also, it's okay, feel it. Everybody tell forget it, but I'm asking you to feel it. Feel it. See the intensity. See the intensity. How heavy are you feeling when you think about this situation? So 10 on 10 means it's too heavy. You feel like, saying bye-bye to puja and you just want to log out, and just relax. So that is high intensity. If you're feeling heavy, your chest area becoming heavy, your abdomen becoming tight, let it happen. It's okay. Think about it. Now see the rhythm of your breath. How are you breathing? How is it? Is it shallow? Is it deep? How are you breathing when you think about this situation? Now, slowly start tapping on your little finger, and I'm going to mute everybody. And make sure you don't open your eyes. Please promise yourself that you're not opening your eyes. Okay? Just say, even though I have carried this pain, even though I have carried this anger, frustration, and guilt for so many years, I deeply and completely accept myself and I'm open to healing. Even though my body has been holding onto these memories, and I didn't know how to let them go, I choose to honor my journey and allow this healing to happen. Now start tapping on your eyebrow. Just say, all these years of emotional pain, release. Temple region. This anger I have been carrying inside me, release. Under your eyes. This frustration that never fully left my body, release. This frustration that never left my body, release. Upper lip. This guilt that I have been holding on to, release. Chin. My body remembers everything. Collarbone. Every disappointment, every hurt, every betrayal, I let it go. Underarm. Every moment I felt unseen. Every moment I felt unheard. Every moment I felt unsupported. Release. Crisscross your hand and tap on the ribs. I let go everything with ease. Top of the head. I have been carrying this burden for too long. Release. Now, second round. Start tapping on your eyebrow. Eyebrow. I forgive myself for surviving the only way I knew. Side of your eyes, temple region. I thank these emotions for trying to protect me. Under your eyes. But I no longer need to live through this past incidents. But I no longer need to live in this past incidents. Upper lip. I release the anger trapped within my body. I release the anger that was trapped inside my body. Chin. I let go years of frustration. collarbone. I release guilt that was never mine to carry. Underarm. I allow my nervous system to feel safe again. Crisscross. I deserve emotional freedom. Top of the head. I choose peace over pain. Now you can stop tapping and keep your hand in Namaste position and feel the tingling sensation, the tip of your fingers. How are you feeling? Now see the intensity. How light are you all feeling? Can see that smile in everyone's face. See that intensity. Don't open your eyes. Now take, 2 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now say, I release what no longer serves me. I reclaim my peace. I reclaim my power. I reclaim my joy. I choose to move forward with courage, compassion, and love. Now focus on your breath. Focus on your breath. Now imagine your favorite God. Believe in the power of universe. Believe in your highest energy. The divine creator who created you. So talk to this energy. Just say, oh divine creator, infinite intelligence and loving presence within me. Today I come before you with an open heart. I acknowledge the pain I have carried for many years. The anger, frustration, guilt, disappointment, and the tears I never cried, the words I never spoke. If these memories, emotions, beliefs, a pattern have been stored within my mind, my body, my subconscious mind, or soul's journey, I ask for you, for your loving grace to cleanse it and transform them into light. To every painful memory, To every person involved, to every person who are involved, every version of myself who suffered, to every part of me that has been protecting this pain, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now keep repeating these 4 sentences. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Keep saying this until I say stop. Yes, you can stop. Now just say, I release the past with gratitude. I embrace the present with awareness. I welcome the future with hope and faith. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. Now you can slowly open your eyes. Yes. Now, how is the intensity? Who would like to share? First person who would like to share. Yes.
It's good.
Good. Okay.
Good and relaxable. I
Relaxing.
feel relaxed.
Awesome. Awesome. What's your name?
Shashikanta.
Shashikant. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Ji.
Awesome. So glad to hear this. How about others? Madhumati ji. How are you? How are you feeling?
Feeling cool,
Cool.
breathless, everything.
Amazing. Very nice. Can see that happiness in your face. Very
No,
This
I am
the
hurted by
heaviness in the
my mom itself.
Ha. Okay. Okay.
Long 8, 9 years back.
9 years back.
Still continued. It still continued.
Okay.
That
Okay.
feeling was there. But my husband and doctor and my son has helped me to come out of this. But it was in my heart only. That feeling
Okay.
I released today. Thank
Really.
you, Pooja.
Wow. That's really amazing. Very nice, Madhu. Glad to hear this.
Thank you.
Vandana ji.
Yeah,
Vandana
I
ji.
had a good day, great day today.
Yes.
But this session was a cherry on the cake. So
Wow.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vandana ji. Awesome. Nandini ji.
feeling peace and calm, Pooja, and light also.
Light heart. That's nice. Very nice. Nice suggestion.
In the beginning, I actually couldn't breathe. I was choking here, but now I'm feeling much better.
Better. Okay. Okay. It's amazing, Nandini ji. Nice. Hetal ji. Neha ji.
Yeah, feeling good.
Good. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Archana ji. Rekha ji. Yes. Yes, Rekha ji.
Feeling good, ma'am. Nice.
Good.
Calm.
Yes. 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 Archana ji.
Past tense really helped me a lot, Pooja.
A lot. Okay. Okay. It's amazing. Yes. Yes. Very nice. See, as a woman, we all are known for multitasking, handling everything. Mentally, emotionally, everything. So all these burdens are stored in our body, and because of this, many people have. You won't believe it. we still have a lot of techniques to do, to how to come out of this emotional trap. Okay. So one of our student have lost 12 kgs. It's not a physical weight. It's all her emotional weight. Okay, so we have been carrying this emotional weight for very long time, since so many months, years, and all. Okay, so cleanse everything that is not meant for you. Okay, so this is the power of regulating your nervous system. Okay, so please keep doing this as much as possible. Okay, and for this we have a basic course. This is nothing. This is just 5% of what I'm going to teach in upcoming sessions. This is just like a movie trailer. Okay, we have lot of things to do where many things are involved. Like you all know, we do graphology as well to release many things, many types of feelings and everything. So graphology and this technique, and I don't know how many of you are aware of healing symbols and codes. So ask you all to chant numbers as well. For example, 319, 319. Okay, so numbers, codes, and all these things are there. So we are going to have this super session for 3 days, and those who are interested, you can join it. Okay, and as you all know, the basic course fee is going to be just 500. Yeah, so if you are interested, you can join it. Okay, we'll be doing many things, so come with sketch pens, notebook. Okay, and yeah, your open heart to receive this abundant energy. Okay, so yeah, so these are
Pooja, when
the
are the classes going to start?
it's going to start from Monday, Vijayalakshmi ji, day after tomorrow onwards. So I will post the details on group, so you can definitely join. Okay, and next week we'll be having a session on mudras. So where my mom will be teaching mudras. It's not like only Prithvi Mudra, Vayu Mudra. Many class. See, I have also attended so many class. Like 90% of my gurus, blessed with great teachers and everything. But 10%, I'm like, why did I even pay for such people? There are people in market who don't even know anything and they chat so much. So we teach everything with logical explanation and why exactly we do certain things. Okay, so yeah, so mudra session as usual, we'll be having one free session on mudra class. So make sure you all join mudra session as well. Okay, and yes, and lot of healing modalities. I'm going to share like the most powerful symbol. Okay, symbol codes and this technique. Okay, so yeah, looking forward to see you all. Okay, so any questions, any doubts regarding anything, you can let me know. Hope you had a great session.
Yes.
Hope you all had great time.
Yes, Pooja, it is really great.
Yeah.
Color. 3 days class is EFT and graphology and
What Archana ji? No, certain things are included like graphology, chanting codes, and healing symbols. Healing symbol as well.
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that's it. I will just let you know about the timing. I'll just let you know. But make sure you all join. Please make the most out of it. Okay. Yes. So that's it. So yeah. Take care, everyone.
Tell fees how much we have to pay?
It's 500. Shriji.
Please send me the GPay. Na?
Yeah, sure. I will share the details on group. So yes. Okay. Take care and have a great weekend, everyone. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Pooja.
Take care.
Thank you.
Namaste. Take care. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.